Building this cabinet, there's a midwall right here, and when I go to put screws in it, I need to know where the midwall is. I don't want to just willy-nilly drive screws. So what's happened already is there's a brad holding the midwall in place here. I know that brad is centered on the thickness of the midwall. There's another brad there. I know that's centered on the thickness of the midwall. So I have done this 11 billion times when I used to run a commercial cabinet shop. Get my straight edge out here, hook on that end, edge of the straight edge on that brad, other edge of the straight edge on this brad, get some tension on that. Now when I draw a line, which I'm about to do, you can't put a lot of lateral pressure on it, but you don't need a lot of lateral pressure. You just do this. That's gonna give me my line that shows me where I need to do this so that these end up in the right spot. And it's just a great down and dirty way. I don't have to run and find a straight edge. I can use the tools that are already hanging on my apron to get that line to register the screws.